I'm Ty with WTI, and these are my Simpli-Magic towels.
I am so glad that I found this luxurious towel set. I was going for kind of a spa look in my guest bathroom, and I came across these towels, and what immediately caught my attention is that unique popcorn texture that it has. These towels, they're not just soft, but I think they also have a delightful textured pattern that it just adds elegance to my bathroom. I just love the look of them. Now, I think these towels are super absorbent. It comes with a nice set with, as you can see here, I have them nicely folded and I can put them in my guest bathroom this way. I think they are so beautiful and versatile, and I think they complement a range of bathroom styles, whether you have a modern bathroom or a traditional bathroom.
And that's my point of view.